Hey, good to have you here for this new episode. We're all drowning in information these days. Emails, reports, research papers. It never ends.
Yeah, it's like more content doesn't mean more clarity, right? And today, we're talking about something a bit different, using AI not to create more, but to reduce. AI summarization.
Exactly. And summarization isn't just about making things shorter. It's about smartly pulling out the core ideas, key arguments, essential data, and the logical flow behind all that dense info.
I like that phrase. In the age of information abundance, reduction is intelligence. It's not just cutting down words, it's about structured clarity.
Right. So AI summarization means compressing long, complex info into clear, organized summaries. Not blind shortening, but strategic compression that keeps what really matters.
And that clarity helps you see how ideas connect, spot patterns or gaps, compare different arguments, and ultimately make decisions faster.
Yeah, because we live in answer overload. Just having more answers doesn't help if you can't make sense of them quickly.
So, one practical example is reviewing a research paper. Instead of reading 20 pages straight, you can ask AI to summarize it in 10 bullet points,
Then reduce that to 5 key arguments.
then down to 3 core insights.
And finally, ask about the paper's limitations or weaknesses. It's like moving from raw info to structure, then insight, and finally evaluation.
That's a great mental model. Structured intelligence. It really helps you think through complex materials step by step.
And it's not just research papers. You can summarize meeting notes to get just action items, or emails to pull out decisions and deadlines.
Or policy documents, like summarizing what they mean for small businesses. Even thesis work, identifying literature gaps from abstracts.
And startup research, comparing competitors in a clear table. Summarization isn't laziness, it's strategic compression.
But it's important not to trust the first summary blindly. AI summaries are a starting point. You still need to check nuance, verify claims, cross-reference data.
Yeah, summarization speeds things up, but good judgment keeps the quality high.
I also like how this contrasts with AI generation. Generation makes more content. Summarization makes content clearer. And clarity is real leverage.
That ties back to what we said in earlier episodes. First, sequencing thinking, then, controlling perspective, and now, controlling information load. It's a sign of maturity in using AI.
For listeners, here's a simple exercise. Take a long article you've saved but never finished. Ask AI to summarize it in 10 bullet points.
Then ask, what's the one central argument, and what question remains unanswered?
You'll see how quickly understanding emerges. It's not about more output, but better cognition.
Yeah, using AI to think smarter, not just faster. That's what this episode's all about.
Exactly. Thanks for listening.